Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time, so why not introduce by resetting my living room as the new mommy on the block. I am showing you how I am unwinding, relaxing, taking in the nights. But let me tell you something, y'all. I'm doing this at 3 a.m. in the morning. 3 a.m. because as a new mommy, you gotta make the time. So keep on watching to see how I get this living room together. Because having a baby does not stop a relaxing home. We're starting out by finishing drilling in this knob of this hutch. I wanted to put it in the living room. We finally finished it, which is one of the big projects I've done for this living room. So right now I'm clearing out the couch. This is my bi-monthly couch cleaning time. So every 2 months I deep clean the couch and really get it really white and crisp, because that's what it requires to upkeep a white couch. So we cannot deep clean the couch and not clean the living room as well. Am I right? Okay. So I'm clearing out my coffee table, cleared out the cushions, see some stains, some marks. So I'm taking baking soda, some Fab, and some carpet cleaner, and I'm gonna mix all three with hot water, not two, and use my deep clean vacuum cleaner. Because listen, that is the best thing I've ever bought. When I tell you it began my couch so white, so clean, the bristles be bristling, getting in the cracks and crevices of this couch. Everyone has been worried up and down about my white couch ever since I had this baby, ever since I was pregnant, talking about oh my God, but you have a baby. What are you going to do with your white couch? What am I going to do? Nothing. The white couch remains. The white couch stays because the couch is not for the child. It is for me. Okay? My white couch has nothing to do with my child. The child has nothing to do with the white couch. The white couch is for me. It's for the aesthetics. It's for the comfortability. It's what makes my day when I come down the living room. So don't worry about the white couch. The white couch will be white couching. Okay? So as I fluff my couch, and trust me, I've had things spilled on this couch, people, all types of booties sit on this couch, and yet it's washable. It's not the end of the world. And I like to change the color of the couch. That's why I call it a blank canvas. So this white couch is not going anywhere until I replace it with another white couch. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. But I digress. As you can see, I already deep cleaned my couch. Now I am putting my pillows, I'm fluffing it up, I'm styling it and putting it all together the way it deserves to be put together. Okay? I just love a fresh, clean couch and just hints of color to my couch. So this has been my summer setup, or my 3-month setup decor so far. This is how I've been fixing my couch the last 3 months. I've been really vibing with it, even though we're going to change it up for the reason why I'm filming this video. The couch, the way I decorated the couch will not be looking like that for the month of September, but we're gonna have a whole different video on that. Fluff up my pillow, pull out my light. This light I got at Goodwill, love it. It has traveled everywhere with me. Now I'm putting all my throws in my basket, freshly washed, freshly dried, because we love a good clean throw, okay? What is a living room reset without clean throws? So we're gonna just put all them babies in there for whoever comes over can have a kiki haha with a clean throw, and then they don't gotta worry about nothing over here. Okay? Okay. Next, whoever follows me on Instagram knows this is the infamous mirror that I be posting my OTDs. Listen, we gotta keep it clean, we gotta keep it crisp. When people be asking for the deets, the mirror gotta do what it gotta do, so it need to be clean. Okay? Look at that shine. Look at that clean. So we can't forget the hutch. My living room is a very small dimension compared to modern homes. My home is a little older, so we have to make it do what it do. So my goal with this living room was to make it look full without making it look full, but still have some space and wiggle room. And I think I've achieved it, okay? Because I really wanted this hutch and it wasn't going to stop, okay? Look at that beauty. And here's the end result. I hung the curtains because this video will be incomplete. I already washed the curtains off camera. And when I tell you, it just felt so cozy and so clean and fresh after deep cleaning everything. As you can tell, something else, if you've been following me, I've added a carpet. And oh, I can't wait for the next video because I finally found my dream end tables. So the stools will be gone very soon. So I'll be giving an updated living room video. But for now, this is what we're working with. And I've gotten so many compliments on how I dress my living room. And everyone has been telling me how elegant and cozy it's been. So I feel like I've really achieved what I wanted. Don't come for me and my curtains dragging. I had shorter curtains. But you know what? I'm loving the floor touch. I'm loving it. So this is the end. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and I cannot wait to see you on my upcoming series of making my house into a home and other videos to come. Don't ever forget your girl. Your girl will always get you.